Hey guys, Tech Made Easy, and thank you for clicking on our video today. Well, as you can see, we've got the K Supreme Plus Smart, the latest version. They put new on the box just to make sure we knew that this was a new coffee maker. I wonder when they take new off. Anyway, this new unit has Wi-Fi, so you can actually connect to the coffee maker. You can schedule your coffee. So I like that because the other K Supreme models don't have that feature. You can also adjust the settings on the coffee maker. You can also do that on the panel as well, so don't worry about that. This also has more strength settings. It has more temperature settings. It has a new feature called Brew ID, which we're going to go over. We'll demo and see how that works. It says it recognizes your K-cup, and what it does is it customizes the brew based on that coffee. So it adjusts the strength settings and adjusts the temperature settings automatically to make a great cup for you. So again, we'll find out, right? This also has the multi-stream technology, all right? The large 78-ounce reservoir, which is really nice. So in this review, what we're going to be doing is we're going to do an unboxing. We are going to do a close look. And then we're going to compare this coffee maker, a quick compare of this coffee maker versus the K Supreme Plus, right? The current model. We'll look at it. We'll see what features this has versus the current model. And by the way, I will also be doing a detailed review, which will be a separate review with, testing and all of that good stuff. All right. Well, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing like we always do. There it goes. So what do we get in the box? We get a smart auto delivery offer from Keurig. If you want to sign up for that and get some kind of discounts, you get your little booklet here. Okay, I'm assuming it's going to go over some of the features and stuff like that. They don't always throw this in, but you actually get the filter. So this filter actually goes inside of the reservoir, and they're giving you a charcoal filter as well, which then you end up buying more of these. If you use filtered water, you don't need to use this, but some people like double filtering, so you do get that. It actually goes in the unit there. Let's take a nice look at the unit here. So this is that black stainless steel, and this only comes in one color to my knowledge. So let's take a look at the top of the unit, and we see we've got our control panel. Looks a little bigger than the previous. Again, we'll show more later on. We do have the strength settings, the temperature settings, your Keurig button, all of your sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. You've got your multi-stream technology feature there. Nice handle, by the way, feels really strong. Again, let's just take a nice look at the black stainless steel. As you can see, this is wrapped all the way around and to the back, okay? You do get your 78-ounce water reservoir, which is removable. I like that. You can bring it over to the sink, fill it up, or whatever you want. It's got a beautiful Tech Made Easy cup. Well, you don't get that, but that's the cup of coffee that I use. Here's your drip tray, which obviously pulls out. All right. See that there. And that is a nice, simple look at the new unit. Stay tuned. We are going to be right back to show you the quick comparison of the K Supreme Plus as far as what it looks like, as well as going over some features from the K Supreme Plus to the K Supreme Plus Smart. All right? All right. There you go, a nice side-by-side of the stainless and the black stainless, okay? So just in general, look, they take up the same form factor, okay? But what I want to do in this video is really cover, some of the differences, right? So they both have multi-stream technology, and that just means that they both have that 5 points of entry into your coffee cup to really soak the coffee and really, give you that robust coffee that you're looking for compared to the one poke that the other machines do. They both have a 78-ounce reservoir, which is nice. And the bottom area is where you put the filter and they do include it in the Supreme Plus Smart. I have to check if they include it in this model. I do believe they do. It is removable, don't forget, right? So it's convenient. You can pull it out and take it to the sink and fill it. Actually, I still have a tape on mine. But yeah, you can pull it out, take it to the sink, fill it, put your filtered water in, whatever you decide to do. But, you can do that, which is nice. Cup sizes are the same. You know, if you look here, you've got your 4 ounce, your 6, 8, 10, and 12. So your cup sizes are the same. Favorite settings are very different. All right, and I hope you'd see that in our detailed review that we're coming up. This is just a simple comparison, but the Plus model has 3 favorite settings, okay? The Plus Smart actually has 10, and that's good, right? If you have more family members, maybe you have like 5 or 6 people that like their coffee a certain way, that's real nice. Iced coffee, they both support iced coffee, which is nice. So, this one's got a dedicated button called Over Iced. In here, there's a little button there. Again, we'll go over the displays a little bit and how that's improved. On strength settings, with the Plus, you get 3 levels, whereas with the Plus Smart, you now get 5 levels of strength. So that's nice. I'm going to really test that. Temperature settings, on the Plus, you get 3 temperature settings. On the Plus Smart, you get 6. And that's going to be huge for people that like their coffee hot. We're going to test that. One of the things they enhanced big time is you now have an OLED display. So it is a much larger display. And in comparison, of course, to this tiny little guy. So that was one enhancement where you can see better and you can do more with this display. So I like that. Hey guys, if you're really enjoying this video, take a moment, give us a thumbs up. Brooklyn and I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Wi-Fi is built in now to the Plus Smart model, and that means that you can control it via an app. You can adjust your coffee, and you can schedule coffee. A lot of that's going to be in my detailed review, but this is Wi-Fi. The Plus does not. Smart auto delivery is now available through this machine here because it's got Wi-Fi. So you can have your coffee delivered and get a discount through Keurig if you decide to do that. All right, this model doesn't do that, the Plus model. Again, you can use an app on a tablet or a smartphone to control this, which is nice. Some people like using tablets. And maintenance alerts. You will get maintenance alerts on both of these. Now, to clean these, one thing I use is a stainless steel cleaner with a nice soft towel. All right, that really helps if you decide that you need to clean these. But yeah, when you look at that black stainless versus the regular stainless, they're both nice machines. One other feature I want to mention on the Plus Smart. It has a feature now called Brew ID. And what that does is it actually takes this QR code with information, and the information in this QR code is customized to this specific type of coffee. So a certain strength setting, a certain temperature setting. And so now if you use Brew ID, they're saying that it can make a almost perfect cup based off of this type of coffee. So like you have a Starbucks type, etc. Now, if you're buying coffee from like Costco or whatnot, some of those guys don't have that. Sam's Club. So it is what it is. Just letting you know, this will still work in there. But if you use Brew ID, it says it'll make almost a perfect cup. So I hope you're happy with this comparison. I do hope you come back to the channel and see our detailed review. Take a moment and subscribe. All right, share our video. We'd appreciate that. Okay, here are some specs. Please give us a thumbs up. I hope you like the review. Hit pause if you want to look at these, and thank you so much. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.